Right. Okay. Let me just share this to Facebook and we will be good to go. So, I'm on Facebook. All right. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh. Share this in the City of Savings group and then we'll be ready to go. All right. All right. Let me make sure I'm connected. I'm connected. Okay. And this should be in the City Girl Savings Facebook group. Oh, let me just triple check. And then we can get started. Oh yeah, I'm good. Okay, technology worked for me this time. The last live I did in the Money Management Mastery for Working Women Facebook group did not work, so I had to resort to using my phone. That's okay. Doesn't matter now. I am here, and I am giving you a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look into my financial filing system. So in case you're wondering what a financial filing system actually is, it is basically a system that you have for tracking all of your important financial information. Now, this can be physical, like with a filing cabinet, or virtual with virtual folders. I am going to show you both of mine because I have a filing cabinet and I have virtual folders set up on my computer. Now, a few things. One, I have always been like an organized person. I mean, when I want to say 7 or 8, I asked my dad for a filing cabinet for my birthday, and I would like print pictures out and file them in folders labeled appropriately. So I've always been kind of into that stuff. So talking about filing systems, more specifically financial filing systems, is always at the top of my list. But this video is also in preparation for the upcoming live workshop I will be doing with Elena from the Organized Money called Spring Clean Your Finances, How to Get Organized Financially. And basically throughout that live workshop, we'll be talking about how you can set up your own financial filing system, both physical and virtual. We'll also be doing a do it together budget planner setup. So Elena is all about organization as well, and she is providing a very detailed, very in-depth, very large budget planner template to everyone who signs up for the workshop. And everybody on the workshop, including myself and Elena, we are going to go through that budget planner template together so that you can set up your budget for life, right? For moving forward. So if you are not organized financially, if you do not have a budget, this workshop is for you, and it's only $57. $57 to get everything you need to finally organize your finances, to finally set up a budget and learn exactly how to set up a budget, and to establish consistent routines with your money. You do not want to miss this workshop. It is May 28th. at 6 p.m. It'll be completely live, but if for whatever reason you have to drop out early or you can't make it, a replay will be available for all of those who register. So still plenty of time to get in and register, but don't wait. Don't put this off. This is something that we all need to get a handle on as soon as possible so that we can avoid the hot mess express and feel good about our money and our situation and what bills are coming in and how everything is handled. So, okay, I have got out my soapbox. Let's get into my financial filing systems. So I'm going to first start with my physical filing system, which is my filing cabinet that is in this closet right here. So let me think the best way I'm going to do this. You guys are going to come with me as I take you to my financial filing cabinet. So let's do this. Okay. That was the computer cord. All right. You guys are, this door is always closed and for very good reason. So here's my filing cabinet. It's actually pretty large. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. I'm not gonna go too much lower because my luck, I'll drop my laptop, but we'll start with the first row. So it's labeled corporate. My intention was for this to be all things business. So I have a couple of businesses and paperwork for all of them. Didn't quite work out that way. I need to change these, but I'll give you an idea of what you'll see here. So push it back a little bit. So all of these folders are specific to one of my businesses. You'll see that I have folders for each of the checking accounts or credit cards with the appropriate bank. I have a folder for anything credit related, documents from the bank, proposals, projects, agreements, inventory invoices, checks, tax documents, receipts, invoices. So everything specific to business is up here. And then get into some of my personal files. Let's see, we have personal REA. So obviously, you know, these files can get really cluttered if you don't have a routine or system for going through them. So I actually go through my paperwork once a year. So as mail comes in, I'll actually file it in the appropriate folder. And then once a year, I'll go through all my documents. And if there's stuff that I can get rid of, I will do so. So we have the REA personal folder, bills and receipts, payments and checks. This is all just stuff specific to me, not my business. Credit, and then auto. Then moving on to this row. All right, hopefully it's clear. Okay, so more business stuff. So payroll, insurance, miscellaneous, tax documents, corporate, well assignments, and then we get into some of the properties that I have. So you'll see they're labeled with the appropriate name of the property. Then I also have paperwork for my dogs. And then all of my taxes are neatly put in here. I really do need to create an actual folder for them, but that's where we're at right now. So that's a very high level look at my actual physical filing cabinet. Now I'm gonna take you back to my desk where I will show you my virtual folders. All right. And I'm gonna close this so you're not distracted by what is in there. All right, we did it, okay. Now that we have gone through my physical filing cabinet, let's go through my virtual folders. So share my screen. Okay, so let's get it together here. Okay, so let me just make sure that you guys are seeing what I need you to see, because last time it didn't happen. There we go. Okay, great. So you can see my folders. Okay, all right. So This is a folder specifically for my personal finances. I'm not going to get into some of the other folders I have, but you'll see that I have a folder for bills, business taxes, credit reports, legal, net worth, properties, and taxes. So bills, as you can imagine, it's anything that is related to bills. So I have any notices that I get go in here, any statements for bills that I need to keep track of will go in there. I don't always save my monthly statements. It's if I need to, it's in there. And then I have a spreadsheet for all of the bills that I pay from a household perspective, and I track what I pay in there. Business taxes, I mean, that's pretty much exactly what it says. Taxes for the businesses that I have to file, they are all in there. Credit reports, so I pull my credit report once a year. You should be doing so too. It's completely free and allowed for us as consumers. So I pull my credit report every year, and then I keep it in this folder. Legal, exactly how it sounds. Any legal documentation that I have or need is in this folder. Net worth, I know you guys probably already know this, but I track my net worth on a monthly basis. So all of that information is in here. And I do have a net worth template that I had previously shared in a money management routine session. So happy to share that if you would like it. Properties, anything related to the properties that I own can be found in this folder. And then taxes, any of my personal taxes are found in this folder. So in the Spring Clean Your Finances workshop, we'll be talking about all of the different folders that you can have for your situation. My personal situation isn't as chaotic as my business is. So if I gave you a quick overview of my business folders, it would blow your mind. But my point is that there is really no minimum or no maximum requirement for all of the folders that you can have, both physical and virtual. So in the workshop, I'll be walking you through all of the folders that you would like or should have so that you stay organized no matter what. But I wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look at my financial filing system, both in person and virtual. So I hope that it was helpful. I hope you are anxious and excited to get organized yourself financially, and I hope that you check out the Spring Clean Your Finances workshop that I'll be hosting with Elena from the Organized Money. We are going to be getting you organized. We will be getting your financial filing system set up, and we'll be getting your budget plan set up. So I will link to that in the comment section of this video. If you have questions, you can always reach out. Let me know. You know where I am. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. And let me know how you organize your finances if you have a system. I would love to know. So definitely share, and I will see you later. Bye, everyone. Have a good night.